Hey gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of The Bearded Journey. I am your host, Shaggy Scott Barnes, and in today's video, we're gonna be talking about 3 areas of your beard that we need to maintain and keep clean at all times. Now, what's funny about this is that all these 3 things that I'm gonna tell you, I am avoiding all of them because tomorrow I'm going to my buddy Ryan. We're gonna get this all cleaned up. I'm actually gonna have him attack my beard, my hair, my mustache, everything. I'm just done with it. We're gonna have him clean me up. So this is just a way for you guys that aren't going to the barbers, that are able to do it yourself. I wanted to show you 3 areas that you guys need to keep clean. That way you're gonna have a great look throughout your beard journey. Now the first area we're gonna go over is the sideburns. This area is where your hair connects to your beard. And what we need to do is we need to fade the hair into the beard. Now what you're gonna need is some clippers with a guard on it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start right here on the top of our earlobe, and we're gonna fade up into the hair, and then we're gonna fade down into the beard. This gives us a point of reference from where our hair starts and our beard stops. Now a lot of these things that I'm going over, I've done a video, so I'll put a link up here for you guys. So that way if you're at home doing it yourself, I'll go over an easy step-by-step process to show you how to do it. So number 2 that we need to follow with the sideburns that connects to the sideburns is the cheek line. This is what separates a nice look to a hobo-y grunge look. So for you guys at the home, I've got the link down in there if you want to too. I've got the cut buddy. It nicely puts it on our cheeks. We make a line through it, and that way we have a nice clean cut and a nice clean look. So that way we're going out, we have a nice sideburn fade going on and a nice cheek line. This is gonna keep everything connected from the sideburns into our beard. That way we've got a nice look, not looking like a hobo or in that grunge mode. This is giving us the appearance that we're actually taking care of our beard, let alone from our sideburns into the cheek line. And last and most important, and I think this is something that anybody can do, even their wives or their significant others can help them out with, that is gonna be their neckline. And not only the neckline that goes under your beard, but the neckline that goes all the way around your neck, okay? This is gonna keep your hair clean. So in between those barber cuts, if you're able to keep those lines of the back of your head under the beard, you're gonna keep that consistent look of cleanliness. And like I said, for me as an example, I'm going to get my hair cut tomorrow. And in between that month or 3 weeks that we do get our hair cut, just trimming up our sideburns here and cleaning up our neck and cheek line can make that big a difference. So like me is a great example. I'll come up close to you guys. Look how long my sideburns are. And it just makes a nice big mess, let alone the cheek line and all this neck nasty stuff. So I wanted to bring this up as I go get my hair cut tomorrow, that at home, we actually could really do a good job in between those barber cuts or cuts ourselves. And there's gonna be times when we're out on vacation or in a family event or it's a holiday that we don't really have time to go to the barber. And this is some good things to have acknowledgement of being able to do self trims. Cleaning up those sideburns, the neckline can really extend that haircut. And I just wanted to bring this in full force because I'm a true example of that timeline. If I don't keep everything up, like right now, I'm in just a big mess right now. And that way tomorrow, Ryan's gonna clean everything up. So we're gonna head there tomorrow. I'll definitely record everything so that way you know what's going on. I'm actually gonna have him attack my beard, probably my mustache. I'm gonna go for the faux hawk look. We're gonna do everything completely different. So stick along with that, all right? And that's gonna be the outro. So like always, you guys like and subscribe. Tomorrow, I believe, is gonna be Thursday. So let's shoot for a Friday video, all right? So like always, you guys like and subscribe. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. See ya!